Great service, great service. Man, probably finna do something for the clothes brand or do something to the car, man. Whichever one we get into, man. That's a bit. Y'all boy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, and enjoy the video.
I pull it up, nigga.
Sippin' on syrup, posting the trap with cuz your bitch at text like what was the word? And I ain't no picture, but a young nigga do get fly as a bird. And you can call me G Herbert the way I made it 392 word.
So yo, YouTube, man, what's going on? So in today's video, I will be installing the cheap catch can and cleaning out my air filter, my K&N air filter. With the little kit that we got, first what we're gonna do is clean out the air filter so it can be drying while we installing the catch can. So with that being said, let's clean out the air filter. So it's fairly easy, man. First thing first is what we're gonna do is just unscrew the loosen up the air filter bolt on it to take it out, and that wiggles right on out of there just that easy. Let's open up our kit, man. I think this to turn the color back up at red, and this right here is the cleaner. It ain't just gonna spread like that. Shit don't wanna come out. Yeah. So we're just gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes, then we're gonna rinse it out. Now, while that dries, let's go ahead and start on the cheap catch can. Alright, man, so we have everything. Here goes the cheap catch can. And look, let me tell y'all, I went on ahead and bought another hose. It's not the hose that came with it, because I heard the hose that come with it is not what you want to use. And I also went on ahead and bought a clamp so I can have something to clamp on into in my car. Just a little clamp like this. Here goes the hose. Alright, y'all, so I took the little handle off right here. So I can put my screws in, because you can't fit the screws with the handle on there. So
go ahead.
Alright, y'all, so the intake, man, you just rinsing it out now. Oh shit, wrong way.
Yeah, that guy.
Once it's rinsed out, now we just gotta let it dry. And then once it's dry, you gonna spray your filter oil on it to get it back the right color. And then yeah, that's it for the intake. Back to the catch can.
That shit was so damn hard. That bitch so damn stupid. Should I throw that bitch?
Hell nah.
You said we put it back on?
Hell no. What we had to get it off it?
The fuck is this?
This shit looks so useless. But yeah, that's what we're gonna install the catch can at. We had to get that bolt out right there.
I wonder if you can drive without this shit.
Huh?
I wonder if you can drive without this screw.
Hell yeah, I'm sure I can. Cause shit. Yeah.
Something just giving me a badass feeling. If you try it to, your damn motor mount just gonna fall.
Well, y'all, that's what we're gonna install the catch can at. I did put these two bolts in right here. It comes in the package. You just put these two in. So right now, what I'm finna do is just go on ahead. Now I'm finna go ahead and take loose everything on my manifold real quick, y'all. Then we go ahead and add this on there, and I cut this. Cause this gonna go about like right there. And then I gotta get my next cut for the part that's gonna go back there. I mean, what I'm doing is cutting. I already cut the other piece off and added it on here. And then what I'm gonna do is cut this piece off and add it on here. So just cut it. Try to make sure I get a good little area to cut. Okay. Get the clamp on here. Alright, so man, we installed the catch can and we installed the intake, and here it go right here, the catch can, man. Y'all can see the little nice looking red catch can, man. We ran, so this is the out. Alright, so the red right, so on this side we got the out, which this ran to this right here as the out, and the end is on the other side, and the end ran all the way back there to the back. Got that in, and y'all see, man, we cleaned the intake over here. Got the intake clean up and all that. Need to clean all that in there, but intake clean the main thing. It's still a little red, I can see. Still got some of that. Once you clean it, you gotta spray some more of that stuff on it to make it come back to life. But that stuff still drying, but this great though. And crank it up though. Make sure I don't get no check engine like, hey y'all, that bitch gonna run rough now, cause I ain't got my tune for my 80mm throttle body yet, so it's gonna be a little rough on the crank.
That shit is some kind of rough.
Like that rough island.
Yeah.
Yeah, that ain't even rough for real, man. That gonna sound like sometimes it like that.
So that bitch be chopping. Be chopping fucking eggs.
Yeah. That's just it really learning it. You ain't even hear the real in it. I'm putting this first before the vlog. We finished the day off with a little vlog type shit, but that being said, man, yeah. So yo, can you turn it down?
Turn it down?
Yeah.
Start the intro.
So yo,
Wait.
Don't worry that shit back. So yo, you two, man, you know I'm finna go fishing, man.
Maybe not.
Hope y'all done seen everything before fixing the car and shit, but really like I'm going fishing before fixing the car, but y'all gonna see the fixing the car further type shit. So yeah, man, let's go fishing though. Damn, man, we done got lost, man. Yo, I'm finna shoot the damn gun. Yo, say look how y'all at, man. The fuck that did grab me? Hey, y'all had left us, by the way.
Outside today, man. We at this private location. Look at this sorry nigga drip and shit. Like, yeah. No, you're not, bro. How you feel?
Finna go fishing.
Catch you a fish today?
Nah.
Oh, yeah. I ain't sound so confident saying that.
Watch out, I ain't busy doing shit. What the fuck was that? Yeah, part 2. I don't know what the fuck that was. Fuck. That bad boy over there got something. Let me see that bad boy right there. Let me see that bad boy.
Wait, smile, please.
See that bad boy right there.
We got a hood fishing.
That's a bad bass.
We got ass.
Bring that catfish in this, ain't?
I can shoot his ass real quick.
No, bro. I can shoot a skit with his ass real quick. And get out with your big ass bright white shirt, bro.
Your ass just standing up, get your ass down.
Oh shit. No, maybe wasn't the smartest to wear some orange pants, you know? I don't think this car is coming, okay?
Give my shit. No, just hold the line, Actually, give my shit. On my shoulder. Need, just give my shit. Need, just give my shit. Need, give me my shit. Need, give me my shit. Stop if I hook your dick with this hook. Hey, boy.
I heard a car coming though.
Man, fuck that car. Get down though.
Fuck that car, but get down.
Get down. Oh, we getting down.
Yeah, that was you, that big ass white shirt. I ain't gonna lie, that nigga got a clean ass shot on me. That big ass hat on.
Get down, what the fuck is that? That's a fucking 18-wheeler game. Oh nah, that bitch like he can come up this bitch.
Okay.
That bitch need all type of engine work. Oh my god, and I mean,
I like to swing that way. You might want to go on this side.
swing your fucking pole.
Like shit, showing y'all how to fish, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, look, throw that bitch in the air. Throw that bitch like straight to the little part. Like,
It's just a habit type shit. You let this thing go up. You know? I bet. So put some trees up there, might be something.
True, it looks so sagging.
God damn, you sure I got some bait on them motherfuckers? Hey, Kyrie, what? That what he fishing at, bro? Bro, just throw that motherfucker. Here.
Just press the button and just find that motherfucker.
He fucking cooked. He just said he knew what he was doing.
He be lying for no damn reason. I said,
Damn, that's all y'all do is fucking lie.
I know how to fish, but I don't know what you told. But goddamn, back on. Shit. I ain't no fucking rookie, nigga.
Whoa!
Told you back the fuck up. I know what the fuck I'm doing, huh?
That motherfucker thought he ass on, nigga. That ain't nothing but the damn wind. Hey, you two, don't let this fool you. I'm just not having a rough day right now.
Oh, some vegetation.
You trying to throw a drink real quick? Or water or some shit? Yeah, we been seeing that shit.
What the fuck y'all looking at my shit?
Thank you. Fuck them niggas. Man, I got the little 4-wheelers out. I got the dogs out, you know what I'm saying?
Here he go recording.
Shut up. This the mighty. That one we working on. That bitch start. Y'all remember we went and bought that one not too long ago. That bitch right here mighty. Shit, I see a down pipe on that bitch. Shit. That bitch fat though. It got some slicks on it.
Oh shit. Oh.
He go buy a new clutch or something? He go buy us a new clutch?
Shit.
Feel down, feel down,
Get all the way down.
yeah, hold all the way down. Hold the clutch all the way down.
Yeah, I did.
Why did this slow it down? Down. And don't downshift without holding the key. Hey, Amadou. He ain't gonna get it. He ain't gonna get it. Come on, right? Yo. He not gonna get it. What you mean? Alright, explain.
Have you scared of your bike, ain't it? Ain't no way, boy.
I ain't got nothing to do with me, man. Yeah, I'm moving.
God damn.
Open that Yankee out there.
Anytime.
Damn.
Dang.
So Yankee be the racer now?
Hell no. Oh, hell no.
YouTube.
See that easy? I did it. Hey, YouTube, go back to that first video we first got it. Yeah.
It did worse.
You recording?
Huh? Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Make sure I go back to that first video here first got this one.
For the first time, didn't it?
Hey, man. If you
The
feel
first?
good,
No,
if you
this
feel
time.
good, then shit. Don't
This
feel good.
So you saying that nigga gradually is getting terrible?
Yeah. This time he did worse than the first time.
I ain't gonna lie.
So he's gradually getting more ass.
It's like that motherfucker.
Yeah. Well, you know what? The first time he started out, I just got to see it, bro.
In it, like you ain't in it for
You ain't got a raspberry.
See, bro, he ain't even say I had a fucking muffin top, bro. You said that, bro.
I didn't say nothing about
Yes, you did, bro. You said that, bro.
He just hit you like 4 different
God,
times.
bro.
You say
But
something.
nah, bro, cause you gonna try to throw a joke, bro. But he ain't say that, bro.
No, they be fight like, dude, they were like some. I get
Yeah. The boys in the back.
Damn, kid, they got spider webs on my shit, bro.
Y'all ain't got scammed though. I fucking bought this shit. So you should have got a risky mentality still.
Yeah, he ain't wanna make me.
That motherfucker.
Your dog been chewing on my shit.
That my dog. I put
Yeah, that's
the
your dog. Ooh, wee.
hell no. I got one in the shit.
But
You can make your own
hat
shit.
back on, fool.
God damn.
Pull my hair out, bro. Pull my hair.
Ooh, wee.
Motherfucker got on the hair. Like a little lady.
Motherfucker got a poison ivy bush.
God damn, bro, I got it, bro.
Nah, it feel like you was gonna come out. Like, it feel just hard.
I ain't gonna put this shit back on, bro. God damn, bro. A little mustache ass.
I'll tell you like.
Sure, they got a king of the hill.
You already put that damn hook on my shirt.
So he put a hook on your
I
shit.
mean, I can't hook something else.
Okay.
Dude, you been trying to trail like all day.
Got his ass
I'm
again,
in the
YouTube.
car asking, man, what kind of drawers you got on all day.
Oh, okay.
You can put it right
Okay,
here.
bro.
So it's ways to hide this shit.
Apparently you're getting teased.
So you just didn't.
You're getting drunk.
You can put it right here.
No, nigga. They gotta see it.
Yeah, I couldn't.
You can't put it right there. It's a curve.
Need to squeeze you first. I'm trying to help you,
So
bro.
they raising stoplights and shit? What the fuck? Now I'm confused.
Nah, it like. What the fuck? But it don't matter. Like, if you finna race them, like, you really think they finna bring a stock bike out there?
I don't think you know how to drive this shit, fam.
I'm finna just put this motherfucker right there.
It was
Shit, bro.
So it
So what
was.
kind of race
I
that?
did say that before.
The bitch can't be out that long like that.
Race that
It's
D3.
He
contamination.
don't want it for real, bro.
Bro,
Hey,
don't
you
want
put
that
it right
stick
there.
Fool, just put the damn type shit anywhere, bro. Damn, you know.
That night guy let that bitch sit like that. Then after that bitch sit like that, just peel it off.
Come on, man. They ain't like NASCAR people. Let's go. That been the right way, ain't it?
Yo.
That motherfucker ain't going there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fire his
Ain't
ass.
gonna go, bro.
Fire his ass. Just gonna throw his contract out the window. Contract out the window.
Racing, we need a mechanic.
Throw his damn contract out the window
This is what we
now.
working with.
We ain't getting far.
As soon as this bit break down, we going home.
Oh yeah.
Ain't no fixing that bit out there.
Oh yeah. You might as well sell the bill on the spot. Fuck with it down, dude.
See it?
He fucked me up with that one.
Shit, just sell the bill on the spot. Fuck with it down, dude.
He fucked me up with that one.
Damn, he's strong. Look at them muscles. Okay. 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 Okay.
King size sneaker.
What?
I ain't say that shit. It ain't come out my mouth.
Do the area by himself. Just get that nigga his own territory.
That nigga in another universe. This conversation.
What the fuck, nigga? King size nigga is insane. What the fuck?
Be careful to put that tire on the wrong way. Man, get off the mechanic side, man. That's the tire on the wrong way, boy.
I'm finna fix it, bro. Get your ass back.
Tire on the wrong way, boy. Get off the mechanic, man. Man, get off the mechanic side, man. That tire on the wrong way, man. Now he put.
You got this bit all in your mouth. You got this bit all in your mouth. You choking on it.
I said, you know, mechanic side can't put the tire on the right side, man. Hold on. Let me put you on the time. Hold on.
What's up with these black guys, bro? Putting it on.
How fast with it? How fast with it? How fast with it? You didn't let me. I did it so fast when you ready.
That tire going this
Hey,
damn parent going the other way. I'm tell you right now.
how you zoom in? How you zoom in?
Oh, no. He getting out.
How you zoom in?
God, I didn't 12 seconds. Go.
That nigga camera like that the wrong thing.
Don't move your damn leg.
Oh yeah. Fire this nigga.
You did that. You stop. You got it done like 7 seconds.
He did 12.
Y'all gonna put the bolts on?
Yo.
Oh, we doing that?
I mean, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Bro, you gonna wash it?
Oh yeah.
Hardy, bro.
Oh yeah.
Give me my nuts. How many washes we get?
Okay.
Here you go.
You give me my nuts.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, this man got a wrench. Oh.
Y'all gonna need one to tighten it up. Y'all just going hit.
Oh shit, I'm finna sell. This second boat ain't going on. Keep me. This bitch will not go.
Yeah, get the fuck out the spot, man.
Ooh.
My first time, man.
Oh no, my
Ooh.
Yeah, hell, you ain't ready to the wrench for it. I mean, it's only one wrench. I still would have lost.
Nigga.
Oh shit. Damn. I still won.
You ain't gonna do nothing about it?
I'm gonna wait my turn.
Turtle bird.
Shit, just take out your pipes.
What?
Nigga, he can't race without it.
Y'all hired this nigga?
Now you still ain't done?
Man, I've been down for your bitch ass, man.
This motherfucker just spun some food.
They got a strawberry.